Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to record a voiceover using CapCut. Now let's begin. As you can see, I'm in my CapCut PC version, and later on we will look at the CapCut web version as well. Well, let us look at the settings above the timeline. If we scroll over to the right, you will find something like an icon of a mic. Simply click on it. And now a pop-up will open up from which you can do many things, such as select the input device, or you can turn on this echo reduction or mute project. You can also increase or decrease the volume, it's completely up to you. And if everything is okay, simply click on this red button, that is click to start recording. And there you have it. That's how you do a voiceover on PC. Now let's look at the web version. The process is quite same in the web version as well. Simply let's look over the timeline and we will find the mic icon. Click on it. There are lots of options available here. Well, let's click on this mic again. That is the settings. You can use the input gain. You can select your default microphone. And if everything is okay, let's simply click on the outside. Now there's also something like teleprompter. Let's look at it later. And if everything's okay, simply click on this record button. And there you have it, guys. That's how you do a voiceover on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.